Documentary on Charles Darwin by Gage. Charles Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist who was most known for his theory of evolution, also known as Darwinism, which stated that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small, inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. Darwin was born February 12, 1809 in Shrewsbury, United Kingdom. Slavery was a big part of his early life. He grew up around friends and family who were anti-slavery, which caused himself to lean towards disliking it as well. He also enjoyed science and would read and study scientists at a young age, and even got the opportunity to travel to the Galapagos Islands to study science, which would later help him develop his theory on November 24, 1859, changing the views of many people on where humans came from. Darwin's hatred of slavery was the most influential to his controversial theory of evolution, as well as the ideas of early thinkers and the things he observed on his voyage to the Galapagos Islands. Slavery played a big role in most people's lives during the early 1800s, and it definitely affected Darwin and his family. His view on slavery could have even influenced his scientific work, especially his theory of evolution. Slavery is a very controversial thing for people, and due to Darwin witnessing it, it is said to have been an influence behind his theory of evolution. Darwin was also said to have been influenced through the ideas of early thinkers. After he found his passion in nature and science, he read a lot about scientists, one of which being Charles Lyell. Darwin read Lyell's book, Principles of Geology, which talks about how the Earth is actually much older than it was expected to be. This was crucial to Darwin when he read this because it meant that there would have been plenty of time for evolution to occur. The ideas of scientists were very influential on him and would ultimately lead to one of the most well-known theories of all time, the theory of evolution. While in college, one of Darwin's professors noticed his interest in nature and science and offered him a trip of a lifetime to join him on an adventure to the Galapagos Islands. This visit was very influential to Darwin, and it taught him many things, which helped him develop his theory of evolution. Charles Darwin is one of the most well-known biologists or naturalists ever, which is due to his theory and books on science and nature.